Wind turbines will help to unwind the selection, and they are made by both pros and amateurs. For example, inventors from Australia have assembled such an option. A cylinder about a meter long can easily fit even on the roof of a small private house. If you add solar panels, you can provide energy to the whole house for a reason. Industrial scale to Syria came out, and this option called the ridge-bladed is ideal for pitched roofs. Cunning focusing systems allows you to work with more powerful airflow and get up to 9 times more energy at full power. Ridge blade comes out with a wind speed of 11 m/s. At the same time, the design will withstand even a storm and jester. The authors of even more interesting visions are offered by a craftswoman in the USA at the moment. He is testing different blades to increase power output. However, such turbines could definitely transform the design of a house. Drone: a fresh look at same-day delivery for any business. A fully autonomous device pleases with a range of 966 kilometers and carries up to 227 kilograms of cargo at a speed of up to 241 kilometers per hour. Parking spaces, and since the equipment can take off and land vertically, you won't have to modify these very places. Employees only need to load and unload the drone. It will do the rest itself, and in case of problems, MightyFly's suppliers experts will come to the rescue. The Germans also have a lot of interesting things. In one of the institutes, they developed a prototype of a robot ready to displace the movers. At the heart of the design, the inverted pendulum. The lower part is responsible for balance and the upper part is responsible for working with loads, so the robot turned out to be compact, maneuverable, and very nimble. It accelerates to 10 m/s and takes the load not with suction cups and with grips. The smart filling will understand how much force to apply. Such a robot will come in handy not only in warehouses, but also in hospitals. It pushes and pulls trolleys and beds without any problems. What kind of scenarios of the rise of the machines were not drawn to us? According to the Terminator, it should have happened back in 1997. However, while the machines behave from the peaceful team of the whole world, they are tirelessly pumped over like a system that makes an autonomous robot out of any excavator. It is attached to the back of the equipment in just a couple hours. You will additionally need to set up beacons on the site and then just download the tasks and Rob's excavator will go to perform them, while the manual control remains functional and the application will report emotions during the course of the application. If there are obstacles and the equipment will stop in less than a second, centimeters are added in the description. It turns out that it is enough to make a safe engine, and now the American Air Force is already interested in the novelty. The idea in a simplified form is to take the flow of compressed air and make it draw 15 times more. By 50% of the thrust and increased by 10%, the system is 30% lighter than the classics, allows you to take off and land vertically. The team writes that its development is suitable for aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight of up to 4.5 tons and adds that it has already entered into cooperation with the US military. Why not make a system that will turn steps into energy easily? It is already on screens. Such tiles are already installed all over the world, from London to the United Arab Emirates. A good stream of 10,000 people will provide lighting for a given area, for example, a shopping center and a train station, for the whole night, and such plates can be made. Evolution has begun even from recycled car tires, the developers conclude.